Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Tuesday, October 2nd, 2018. Welcome to the month of October. We are quickly coming to an end of another year. I just want to read my notes real quick and then call it a day. Hopefully try to keep this video to 5 minutes or less. I know I can drag on sometimes, but nothing really exciting to talk about. Yesterday I think we went up to 75 and a half. I believe today's high was 75.93 as I was looking at the market. If I'm not sure exactly. I think that the high was somewhere in that area, 75.90. It doesn't matter. Regardless, I was looking at short side. My notes, I took 3 trades on the market to break down to at least the pivot point, but it didn't want to go. It is a market that looks stronger than weaker. The best I could get was a 1p move in my favor before it started to retrace. I decided to take my small gain and wait for tomorrow. The market stair-stepped down, which is a sign that the market is making a bottom. So that was my notes today. If you look at the session as the U.S. session, when the market was coming down, what I mean by stair-stepping down is that it usually somewhere between 2 to 5 ticks it'll keep coming lower, and then it'll shoot back up, and then it'll come back down a little bit lower, and it'll shoot up, and then it comes. But the other side of this pattern is it makes lower highs. So it's making a lower low, but it's making lower highs, but the lower low that it's making is only a couple ticks underneath each one. That's usually a good sign that the market is trying to form what's called a rounded bottom, and then it'll shoot back up. During the session, what you saw was the market just really was consolidating today after the move from on Monday. As far as yesterday goes, I attempted some shorts during the session yesterday, but after it cleared 73.90 for the second time, it went up to 73.90, it went back down, and then when it went through 73.90 that second time, I cleared out all of my short side trades at that point. The market went on ahead and to 75 and a half, I believe, or higher during the session, but I was done after it went up over 73.90, meaning $73.90. It looked as though we had a chance around that area before it made that double top. Before it made the double top and then pushed through, it looked like we had a chance for the market to break down at that level, being Monday. Today, Tuesday, there really was no solid entry point during the session. If I look at the overall, I think I wrote down, yeah, 124 in the morning CST, there was a 2004 blue volume bar that signifies that the market at that point was going to stay down until it would come back up. So coming into the session, I felt pretty confident that I could catch a short side trade if I could find a good entry point. What I tried today was what I call the failure of a red bar that was at under the 2004 was still the highest volume bar when I was taking on the red volume bars today. So I think one was like a 1200 one, another one was 1500, and as they failed, I tried to grab I believe one of them was around 7003, 7012, 7011, I believe, is some of the areas that I tried to short. I think I shorted again at 7017, somewhere in those areas. Each time was a high volume bar, and I was hoping for a market so it would come back up, and then I was looking for it to quickly move through and not look back. I was basically looking for the market to push at least to pivot today, which I think pivot, where was pivot? Pivot was located at 74.73, and during the session that I was trading, we never reached that. I think we got as low, on my session, we got as low as 74.93, and it never really went down underneath that for the most part as I was looking at trading. That's about it. Nothing really to say other than it was just, I guess if you could look back at today, it was a consolidating day. I picked up 4 ticks off of 3 trades, just pretty much the break-even day. Yesterday I believe I had 24 ticks on 2 or 3 trades, and today I picked up 4 on 3. That's about it. Talk to you later. See you on the next video I put together. Tomorrow is the inventory day, so I'll be doing what I've been doing for the last few weeks, just showing my live trade as the CL pitch strategy takes place. Talk to you later. Bye for now.